All right, hello everyone. So today we're going to be going through the career pathways use case. Three simple steps here. Starting off, just going to dive right in. Occupations are selected for career pathway analysis. That's step one. So employers will select a subset of manufacturing occupations to include in a career pathway analysis. They can refer to the set of occupations on the entry and mid-level manufacturing roles slide that we utilize for our competency model if needed. And then they'll go ahead and populate these specific occupations into the career pathways Excel template. And from there, we'll move on to step two, which is occupation-specific criticality voting. So based on the specific subset of occupations, going through and marking relevant KSAs based on the occupations chosen. So employers will convene to vote on criticality across Ohio's manufacturing competency model for those specific selected occupations. So just a quick example. So if electrical standards could be low criticality for a logistics associate, but high criticality for an electrician. So the criticality voting will be heavily determined based on the occupation itself. So we can capture the scoring of the criticality specific to occupations in the manufacturing or industry specific templates within the career pathways Excel. And our last step is identifying career pathway opportunities. So you can determine the career pathway opportunities by looking at the heat mapping within our career pathways Excel and looking for occupations with shared competency needs. Also, we'll get into this in a second, but the dashboard tab of the career pathways template will highlight competency criticality overlap between these occupations. As always, we start our templates with the instructions tab. So highlights things like what are career pathways, how to navigate all the tabs within this workbook, the skills and tools you'll need to perform a career pathway assessment, specific step-by-step guide on how to fill out the career pathway template, and also how to interpret and utilize the findings within the dashboard tab of the career pathways template. So starting off, we can look at the career pathway mapping manufacturing tab. So this will look pretty different from the other Excels that we utilize within our other use cases. It might actually be more helpful to start within the instructions tab and view this way with a little bit of an example. So step one is to insert occupations that are relevant for your company or organization. So like discussed, things like assemblers and fabricators, maintenance associate, machine programmers. You can enter the SOC code in the next column if applicable. And then from there, you'll do your topic criticality analysis specific to the occupation. So across each topic within the competency model, you'll put in low, medium, or high criticality for that specific occupation. So if I'm thinking about assemblers and fabricators, and I'm looking at the machine preparation topic within the competency model, within my company, that's probably going to deem pretty high criticality to be able to do machine preparation as an assembler. So I would go ahead and put in high criticality here. And then just work your way down the subset of topics from the competency model all the way down here. And then if just a refresher, we have the criticality definitions, for example, just if needed while doing that heat map analysis. But looking at the actual specific template tab, so it should look pretty similar. You'll put in your occupation titles here, the SOC code, and then you can just start your analysis topic by topic. So putting in H for high, just a basic example here, M for medium, and then O for low, and the heat map will populate accordingly. So this is an example of a radar chart using some dummy data for two occupations, assemblers and fabricators and maintenance associate. So we can actually tally up the high, medium, and low criticality overlap here within this specific table. So high gains a numerical value of 3, medium criticality gains a numerical value of 2, and low criticality gains a numerical value of 1. So you can see kind of the numerical translation between those criticalities across the occupations and respective topics. So this is just converting it to more of a numerical format so we can produce these radar charts. And what these radar charts are going to show is like at each specific competency or each specific topic where the overlap is. So between assemblers and fabricators and maintenance associates, we can see there's most overlap within some of these leftward-leaning topics. And so these will auto-populate as well based off of the career pathway mapping results within the manufacturing tab. And then something important to note is you can complete the career pathways for our other models as well. So we have tabs for electric vehicle and aerospace and defense with their respective dashboards to use. All right, that is all I have for the career pathways use case. For any additional information, just go ahead and visit the OMA competency model landing page and see all of our other use case toolkits there as well.